Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I Chaitali Vyas welcome you in junior KG class. Children, yesterday we learned about the clock. Today we are going to revise it.
Please open Maths class workbook page number 120. It is an analog clock. Here are numbers 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hello, I am a clock. I show time. I have two hands. Long hand is called minute hand. Short hand is called hour hand. It is a short hand. It is a long hand. Short hand is at 3. Long hand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock.
Children, now let's sing a song on clock.
Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock. La 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 la. La 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 la. Children, now let's do an exercise in our workbook page number 122. Please open Maths class workbook page number 122. Write down today's date over here. Today's date is 2/3/23. Dot 2 dot 2121. Draw the hands of the clock. Tell me what is the time? The time is 9 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 9 and long hand at 12. Make a slipping line, slant line, slant line. Make a standing line at 12, slant line, slant line. So it is 9 o'clock. Tell me what is the time? The time is 5 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 5 and long hand at 12. Short hand at 5 and long hand at 12. So it is 5 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 10 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 10 and long hand at 12. So it is 10 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 1 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 1 and long hand at 12. It is 1 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 7 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 7 and long hand at 12. It is 7 o'clock. Now what is the time? The time is 8 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 8 and long hand at 12. It is 8 o'clock. Now what is the time? The time is 6 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 6 and long hand at 12. It is 6 o'clock. Now what is the time? The time is 10 o'clock. So we will draw short hand at 10 and long hand at 12. It is 10 o'clock. Now what is the time? The time is 2 o'clock. So we will draw shorthand at 2 and longhand at 12. It is 2 o'clock. What is the time? The time is 3 o'clock. So we will draw shorthand at 3 and longhand at 12. It is 3 o'clock. Now what is the time? The time is 4 o'clock. So we will draw shorthand at 4 and longhand at 12. It is 4 o'clock. Now time is 10 o'clock. So we will draw shorthand at 10 and longhand at 12. So it is 10 o'clock.
Okay children, hope you like this video. Bye. Take care of yourself.